I'm Shelby Walker. I am the Creative Space Specialist at the Boone Innovation Lab at the Hebron Library. Every day a patron comes in with a different idea, different goal, and it's always fun just to be able to help them bring that to light. No matter what your idea is or your goal is, not even just for the Boone Innovation Lab, but in general, stop by the local library. There's probably a program or a book or something to help you with that goal or idea. People don't know that there's half these things in here. I'll get people come in all the time, oh, I didn't know you guys had one of these. And I'll give them a quick tour and they're like, okay, so I have like 60 ideas now. How many appointments should I make with you?
You're very inspiring, and the space is inspiring.
Oh yes. Every day I'm like, oh, I want to make something new.
It's a good feeling.
So I brought Homeland. This series called the Drit series was one that I grew up on and is always my favorite. A lot of D&D and things like that have been based around characters like this. So he's gotten popular and he will always be my number one.